So this will just be a really small follow-up video on the air filter change. I'm using the K&N air filter cleaner, but yeah, I guess you can use ordinary dishwasher and water actually. Yeah, just spray whatever you're using on both sides of the air filter and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You shouldn't let it dry out before washing it. And after that, just hold it under running water. Yeah, not too much pressure. And only wash the air filter from the clean side of the air filter. Otherwise you will wash more dirt into the filters. Yeah, if needed, just repeat the process until you are satisfied with the result. Yeah, then just let the air filter self-dry. And once the air filters are all dry, before applying it on your motorcycle, you should add some air filter oil on the dirty side of the air filter. But yeah, that's really it, and if you want you can go watch my swapping air filter video. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.